Happy Monday. Today is Monday, June 9th already. Can you believe that? Look, I am taking a break finally from work. It is, my watch is upstairs. Let me grab my phone. It is 1:15 p.m. on today, June 9th. And it's time to eat something, okay? And you know what? I've had the biggest craving for this, I'd say, for the last week. But I've been so busy here that I just rather grab something that's already prepared and not pull out a skillet for lunch and actually prepare it. But that's just me being lazy. Y'all, I'm about to make one of my favorite go-tos. It satisfies that sweet tooth craving, but it's filling and it's not too bad for you. We're about to make a grilled peanut butter and jelly sandwich real quick. It just adds a little more oomph to your typical peanut butter and jelly sandwich. I have 2 more meetings today, so we're gonna jump right in. All right, let's get it. Okay, y'all, I have my bread, and we just have some white bread here from, I don't know where my husband got this, but you can make this a little healthier and use wheat bread if you like. I can't really tell a big difference, especially when it's grilled, but use your bread of choice. We're gonna start with my peanut butter. We like creamy peanut butter, but you can use just whatever peanut butter of choice. Oh, this is a brand new one. All right. So I'm just going to prepare the sandwich like any other traditional peanut butter and jelly, okay? And you can go a little heavy if you want. It makes it that much more gooier and that much more yummy. I'm eating a little later than normal, and I don't want to be too full where I don't eat dinner. All right, so let me grab my jelly. Sorry, y'all, I thought I had the camera on. I'm glad I didn't get too far. But I'm just gonna just spread this as much as possible. And I'm using grape jelly today. I love strawberry jelly. I've even tried this with apple butter. Y'all, now that is good. All right, so I add a little bit more jelly. I want mine pretty gooey, y'all. So now I'm just gonna place this together and let's get over to the skillet. Okay, I'm just gonna add a little bit of margarine or butter. You can use whatever you'd like, but I'm just gonna place a little bit of this in a hot skillet. Right now I have it on medium high, so we'll want to get the bottom of the pan coated. You'll know when to add some more butter if needed once the sandwich is cooking. So we're just gonna let this heat up, y'all. So I'm just going to now just drop my beautiful sandwich right in. I'm gonna allow this to cook for about 2 minutes, and then we'll check on it and turn it over. Okay, it's been about 3 minutes, so let's go ahead and flip this over, okay? Ooh, and that looks so good. Oh gosh, it's perfect, perfect. Okay, you can see some of that jelly in there. Trying not to get this shadow here while I get a little closer. Doesn't this look heavenly, guys? So I let this cook for about 3 minutes on medium-high heat. 2.5 to 3 minutes, and this is what we're looking like. All right, let's let this cook for an additional maybe 2 minutes, and then we'll plate this. All right, let's see what we're looking like on the other side here. That looks good. It looks like a perfect grilled cheese right here. This is perfect for me, so I'm gonna just remove this, add it to my plate. Y'all, this is what we're looking like. I'm going to allow this to cool because this is piping hot. And then I'm just going to cut this in half and show you what it looks like. Add some chips here, and this is lunch. It's been about 10 minutes, maybe a little less than that. So I'm just gonna go ahead with clean hands, cut through this beauty, and I'll show you what this is looking like. Oh, it's so gooey. Look at this. Ah! It is deliciousness. I can't wait to try it. I'm about to try a bite right now. But do you see this? I probably could have let it cool a little more, but this is it, guys. Let me try a bite. Layla's looking at me like, I had to get a napkin, y'all. Let me show you. Look at that. It is so good. So good, so good, so good. I had to take a bite before I even took a picture, y'all. Oh my gosh. Well, I got a couple of pictures, but this is how good it is. I know my husband's gonna want one. I may have to make him one to take to work tomorrow, and he can just pop it in the microwave. These are perfect meal prep ideas too, y'all. You can prepare this at night or in the morning and pack it up, and it's good. I promise you. here is lunch, guys. I hope you try this. Let me know if you have already and what you think of this. Thank you so much for watching. Y'all, let me get back to work.